Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Anderson. So we're going to drop the ball. It's going to go down the inclined plane, go down the pulley that's not connected. And then through physics, the tape is going to pull the ball, the tape is going to pull the cup upwards so the ball will go down the other wedge. And then, so it doesn't get caught.
It's a wedge or an inclined plane?
Wedge. In between, doesn't get caught to this board and the plexiglass, and it'll hit the lever and solve the Rubik's Cube.
Solve the Rubik's Cube.
All right.
Take two.
We can only do so much. And here we go.
You got Anders.
That don't count.
Precision adjustments.
I did say it's 1 in 10 chance.
So 8 more times.
Only 8 more. Yes, let's go!